Well, guacamole is a game day favorite, or an everyday favorite if you're like me. But how many times have you bought avocados only to throw them away because they turned rotten?
Well, this morning, fresh grocer Tony Tantillo has your solution.
Well, today's tip of the day is going to be Haas variety avocados, the most popular avocados to make your guacamole, to make your salsa with, because the oil content is very high. But selection in stores, and these avocados are so important. Otherwise, they're not going to taste good at all, and they're going to be black inside when you go to open them up. So let's talk about selection. When you buy them, like again, do not compromise. Make sure you buy them at store level ripe, dark color all the way around. Very, very important. Nice and firm right here. Not too much of a give. A little bit firm is important. When you bring them home, simply store them on the counter. Do not store them in the refrigerator, and enjoy them within 2 or 3 days. That's it. If you see them at the market in the green and you bring them home, there's a good chance they're not going to ripen properly. So buy them ripe, either with the ripe sticker or use your eyes. The color is very important. And I'm Tony Tantillo, your fresh grocer. And always remember to eat fresh and stay healthy.